Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be teaching you how to cornrow for beginners. Now just an FYI, I am not a teacher or an instructor or whatever. I'm just a basic ass mama that will try my best to teach you guys how I cornrow my way. So once you guys get the handle of it, you can do it however you feel most comfortable. Since this video is for beginners only, I'm not going to be using any products or extensions or anything of the sort. It's just to show you guys the basics of doing a simple cornrow. Don't be so hard on yourself if you don't get it the first time. Like I said before, I've been braiding since I was about 13 years old, so I've had years and years of practice. But if you did get it the first time, applaud for you. It does get frustrating at times, but you just need to practice. You need guinea pigs, you need different hair textures so you can get used to cornrowing different type of hair. Today I will be cornrowing on one of my best friends. Her name is Amira, aka Saray's auntie, aka my Blasian princess. She has beautiful, long, thick, curly, wavy hair, so that's gonna be my guinea pig. I try to be descriptive as I can, but if you don't get a part, you can always go back and rewind the video and just keep on watching it until you get it. Just keep on practicing. Hopefully I did okay to try and show you guys to the best of my ability on how to cornrow for beginners. If not, I am sorry. There are millions of other videos on YouTube on how to cornrow, so if my video didn't work out for you, whatever. But let's stop with my jibber jabbering. Let's get to cornrowing. All right. First, before we start actually cornrowing, I'm gonna show you guys how to get hand placement. Sorry, Saray is gonna be a little lit throughout the video. So before we start actually cornrowing, I'm gonna show you guys the hand placement on how to hold a braid. Really? Look at that. So we're gonna actually be braiding a loose braid, but differently from how you guys usually braid a loose braid. So usually a loose braid is how you braid like this, the basics, like that. But we are going to be braiding it a little differently. So what you do is you have 6 tools, which is your thumbs, your pointing fingers, and your middle fingers. So first you take your first 3 tools, which is your left hand, or whatever side you want to start off with, and you hold it like this. So your ring finger and your pinky are just kind of kicking it like that. Same thing with the right side. So it's gonna look like this. So starting off, we're gonna do an under braid instead of an over braid. You go under with your pointing finger and your thumb. You are going to grab the middle section. And now you have this hand free. Now you have the middle finger right here to separate these 2 strands, the left strand and the middle strand. So it's gonna look like that from under. So get back into position. Grab it again, like this. Oh my gosh, sorry, it's lit. So now we're gonna take this strand and bring it over here to this hand. So you go under like that. And just like the left side, you're gonna grab with the pointing finger and the thumb. So you go under, just like that. So now this is what it looks like under. Pointing finger and thumb are holding the middle strand, while the middle finger and the ring finger are holding the right strand. While this hand is available. So now we're gonna keep on going. So under, you grab it like this. Under. And you can use this hand to help untangle the strands. Grab it again. Turn this hand over until you make a braid. Turn, grab. Turn, grab. This hand placement is gonna take some practice. Don't expect to get it the first time. If you did, applause to you. If not, it's okay, because braiding takes practice. So now you have a regular braid. So if I were you, just keep on practicing this before you go on to the next step, because the next step is learning how to cornrow. If you made it this far in the video, congrats. You have advanced to the next step, which is cornrowing. So I parted her hair a little funky. It's just for practice purposes, or training purposes, I mean. What you do is you part her hair like that. Just like the loose braid, is we're gonna part it in 3 sections. But this time, since we are gonna be cornrowing, you're gonna have the middle section, just like how we did with the loose braid. So you're gonna have the middle section kind of chill in between the pointing finger and the middle finger. So it's gonna look like that. So you got 1, 2, and 3. So starting off, what you do, you go under, then you grab, and then this hand's loose again. And this is what it's gonna look like under again. Next, you go under, and we're not grabbing hair yet. Boom. Okay, and we're back to square one. This time, you go under, you grab this, let this go, and then you grab some hair and then attach it to your pointing finger and thumb. So that's actually one way to grab additional hair. I'll show you the second way. So that's how you attach new hair onto the section. Second way is, next time when you go under, you can grab with your middle finger and your thumb. On the way to grab it, you can grab some hair from this section. So now I have new hair that I grabbed like that. Okay, again, so when you go under, you can grab the hair from the new section as you go. And now it's starting to look like a braid. When you go under, you grab more hair. And like I said, use your extra hand to get everything neat again. So you go again, you go under and grab hair. So you just keep on going. And it's okay if your braid looks crazy, because obviously you're just practicing. So you go and you grab And if your hand muscles are starting to hurt, that means you're doing it right. So you go under. And like I said, if it's hard for you to grab it while you go, you could just use your free hand to kind of help grab some hair. And then resume on. So like that, go under, grab this. If you need some help, and move on. So like that. That's what it's gonna look like. Let's do it one more time. Like I said, it's gonna take a lot of practice. Don't expect to get it after the first try because your hand placement is weird, obviously. Your hands aren't gonna be, especially for the first time braiders, your hands aren't gonna be used to this, so they just need to get used to it. So again, okay, so grab your 3 strands, like that. You're gonna go twist and grab. Like I said, the first braid, you're not gonna be grabbing hair yet. We're just setting the foundation. So now this time, we're gonna grab hair. So when you go under, you grab hair as you go. Under, grab as you go. Like I said, use this free hand to help you if you need. So under twist. And under twist.
Alright, so I hope that helped you guys a bit. Let me know in the comments if you tried it and how it's going, or you can DM me some pictures on the cornrows that you guys did. Just remember that it takes practice, practice, practice. You won't get everything overnight unless you're really freaking good or you're God. Alright, so that concludes today's video. Let me know if you guys would like to see anything else, and don't forget to subscribe. And until next time, I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!